Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn variable naming rule. In the previous video we have already discussed about the variables and now we are going to discuss the naming rules of the variable. See, sometimes in the large program there are around thousands of variables. Sometimes naming of the variable is challenging. So that's why there are some rules which we have to follow while naming the variable. So we are going to see the rules. First rule, it should be case sensitive, which means that if we are declaring the variable like int x and int capital X, these two are considered separately. They both are not same. Small x and capital X have their own value, which means that they are case sensitive. Just like integer small y and integer capital Y. They both are different. But int y and float y are same just because they are using the same variable. Now, rule number two contains numbers, alphabet, underscore, or dollar. The naming of any variable can contain any number, just like 1, 2, 3, anything, and alphabet A to Z, anything, or underscore, it can contain underscore also, or dollar. Just like int Arpit underscore 03 underscore dollar. Just like int Aman underscore 08 dollar. This is also a valid example. Now moving to the third rule, that the variable name should start with alphabet underscore or dollar. See, the variable name cannot start with any number. This is one of the important rule which we have to follow. Just like integer I int 1I, in this is not valid, but this is valid. Just like float I12, this is also a valid. The fourth point should not be the keyword. I will explain this to at the end, so let's skip this. Now moving to the fifth rule, it should not be the class name if class is also in use. It means that if we are going to use the class name, just like class Aman, then we cannot use Aman as a variable. For example, that by default we have classes like integer, string, so we cannot use it as a variable. Just like int integer, this is not a valid. Int string, this is also not valid. But this can be valid if string underscore 1. This is not a class name nor disobeying any rule of the Java variables. So this is the valid. Sixth point, no limit on the length of the name. The name of the variable can have as much length as you want, just like int Arpit underscore dollar underscore Aman underscore dash 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 whatever you want. So it don't have any significant length. Follow camel case, which means that in Java we technically follow camel case. For example, like int Aman Arpit is good friend is a variable name. This is the variable name. See, here is you can see that this is following the camel case. First letter is capital, then again all the are small, then capital, then small, then capital, then small. This is known as camel casing. Generally, we follow this camel casing rule in Java only. So now let us see the fourth. It should not be the keyword. So in Google, you just type Java keywords. In the first website, we are going to see all the keywords reserved in Java. We cannot use these words for declaration of any variable. These are pre-reserved words which have their own meaning. So, thank you for now, but I will see you in the next video.